new to my channel, this is like the 5th time I've done this, so I'm just gonna keep it going. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget the subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you so much for clicking that video. If you see me squinting, I'm outside on the balcony, so it's not me trying to look cute because I know I look a little rough, girl. Like, today I'm going to be showing you guys how Laree, shout out to Laree for hooking up my hair. Girl, I love it. I'm going to be showing you guys the process on how she got it to be platinum blonde. And yeah, I love it. Currently, this is the 3rd treatment. So, and apparently when you have dark hair, so I had dark brown hair, you have to lift it. So it had to be lifted 3 times, and each time it took 50 minutes to get it to be, you know, lighter, obviously. So this is the 3rd and final one, which I'm super excited about because, you know, it's very time consuming, but I really like it. I've gotten so much great feedback from the 2nd bleach I did because I had to wait a week to get this done because it was burning. But you guys really like this, so I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for love and for all the haters. I mean, haters are gonna hate, so I mean, that's what they're there for, right? To hate. So without further ado, please follow me on this journey as I bleach my hair for the last time. Bye.